In this quick lesson, we will find the value of the sum of 8 terms, sine squared 10 degrees up to sine squared 80 degrees. We will go step by step and keep every move clear and visual. Let us first write every single term so we compare them later. Step 1. Use the cofunction identity. Sine of theta equals cosine of 90 degrees minus theta. So, sine squared theta equals cosine squared of 90 degrees minus theta. Now we rewrite the last 4 terms using complements. Sine squared 80 becomes cosine squared 10. Sine squared 70 becomes cosine squared 20. Sine squared 60 becomes cosine squared 30. And sine squared 50 becomes cosine squared 40. Step 2. Substitute these into the sum and group into pairs. We pair 10 with its cosine partner, 20 with its partner, 30 with its partner, and 40 with its partner. Step 3. Apply the Pythagorean identity. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. First pair equals 1. Second pair equals 1. Third pair equals 1. Fourth pair equals 1. Finally, add the 4 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. So the value of the entire sum is 4. Recap. We paired complementary angles using the cofunction identity, then used sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1 to collapse each pair. The clean total is 4. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on muyversemaths.